Hey friends, if you encounter the error 173 no graphics hardware detected on AMD Radeon, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now, here's the thing, it basically means that there is no hardware. If that is actually the case, then you need to take it to a hardware technician. Or if you are confident that it has the hardware and the hardware is connected, but the issue is at the software level, then the only solution is to reset your computer. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu. Go to the System tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, scroll down and select Recovery. Click on Reset PC. Select Remove Everything. And then finally select Cloud Download. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.